Hi everyone, I'm Gil. In this deep dive, we'll get you started with CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, one of the core technologies for designing and building websites and applications. No matter what kind of website or web application you want to build, you'll have to use CSS. CSS is a style sheet language that describes the presentation of web pages. Whereas HTML is what forms the structure of a web page, CSS is what we use to style the HTML structure with colors, font sizes, layout, and much more. If you've never written CSS before, don't worry. We'll start with basic CSS concepts and simple selectors, then gradually progress to more advanced lessons. We'll then get into the latest in CSS 3 features like gradients, transitions, animations, and advanced layout techniques with multi-column layout, flexbox, and media queries. To get started, all we'll need is a text editor and a web browser. I'll be using the Sublime text code editor, but feel free to use the one you're most comfortable with to follow along with the lessons. I've included the project files for each lesson, which can be downloaded in the Download section of the page. Writing good CSS takes a lot of practice, so follow along closely, take good notes, and be sure to check out our code playground after every lesson. We've already loaded up each project in CodePen so that it's ready for you to quickly experiment with and share. Before learning CSS, it's important to have a basic understanding of HTML and the structure of a document. If you're not familiar with HTML, go through our deep dive on HTML first, then meet me back here in CSS Foundations.